everyone. So in this video I am gonna do a simple recipe and I am sharing it with you all. So in this video I am doing Jamaican's traditional steamed fish. So this is not the type of steamed fish where you see people are using pumpkin and Irish potatoes and all of them something there. No, I am doing the traditional steamed fish. So if you want to know how to prepare Jamaican traditional steamed fish, keep watching. So in this pot I am gonna pour just a little bit of oil because I'm using just one fish. So that is a little bit of oil, about I'll say a teaspoon or less. And now I am using one fish. This is called the Wrenchman, and this is what we call steaming or roasting fish in Jamaica. We have the Wrenchman, and we have the Doctor. Well, you can steam and roast any fish you want, but I'm telling you that this is what we call the steaming and roasting fish in Jamaica. So this fish is ideal to steam as well as to roast. So this is the Wrenchman, and I think it is called swordfish in Italy or somewhere over there. So in this, or on this plate, I have a little bit of salt, black pepper, and seasoned salt, no MSG, Lorry seasoned salt, and little all-purpose. So salt, a little bit of salt, Lorry seasoned salt, and a little bit of black pepper and all-purpose. So I am gonna season the fish, and I did not put the fish to drain or pat dry it or anything like that because it doesn't make sense to do that, since I am gonna pour a little bit of water in the pot. So there you go, the fish is seasoned. So now I am gonna put the seasoned fish into the pot, and then I am gonna dust the remaining spices and salt in the pot as well. So I am also adding fresh herbs, few slices onion, 1 clove garlic that I slice, few slices hot pepper, and I removed most of the seeds, 1 stalk scallion, and piece of fresh thyme. So normally what is missing, not for me but for a lot of people, is okra. So people would put okra into the steamed fish, but guess what? Me no yam okra. Me no like okra, and me no yam okra. So no okra now go in the pot because me no like it and me no yam it. So all I'm gonna put in the pot is some water. So I'm just gonna pour just a little bit of water. That amount will do. And I am gonna cover the pot and steam the fish on medium high heat. I am not gonna add anything else to the pot, no ketchup or anything like that. Just gonna steam the fish for about 10 minutes. And some people would add margarine or butter. I don't want any of those in my steamed fish. So just gonna steam the fish for about 10 minutes. So the fish is finished. So now I am gonna have steamed fish with some quinoa, right? So this is it.